Kaizer Chiefs are set to miss out on star midfielder Faisal Salum. Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Today I bring you the latest news on Faisal Salum. So, Mamelodi Sundowns are set to make an improved offer for Faisal Salum according to Soccer Laduma. Azam had previously made it clear that they will only let go of Faisal Salum if a team is willing to activate his buyout clause, which is set at 183 million. That's a crazy amount for a player who will be left with only 1 year in his contract. Faisal Salum rejected a contract extension. He has made it clear to Azam that he wants to leave. He wants a new challenge. So Azam will be forced to sell him, and for less than 183 million. And Sundowns are reportedly willing to go as far as 70 million. They had a 35 million offer rejected in the January window, while Kaizer Chiefs only offered 15 million. So which makes it clear Sundowns are the clear favorites here, mate. Like, it's clear now. Kaizer Chiefs will not offer anything close to that amount. And Azam are, of course, going to sell to the highest bidder. On Faisal Salum's side, he would also, just like any other player, like to play in a more structured team, win trophies, and play in the upcoming Club World Cup in June, especially for a player of his quality. Kaizer Chiefs transfer budget for the upcoming window is rumored to be around 80 million. Mate, that's only 10 million more than what Mamelodi Sundowns are willing to spend on Faisal Salum only. So let's forget about him. We're not winning this race. Kaizer Chiefs are believed to be still looking for a way to beat Mamelodi Sundowns for his signature, but then let me break it to you. There is no way we're signing Faisal Salum. Look at the difference between us and Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns are willing to spend 70 million on one player, and we're only willing to spend 80 million for the world transfer window for a squad overhaul. The difference is huge, mate. And let's say, okay, Kaizer Chiefs are willing to pay that 70 million. They are willing to match Mamelodi Sundowns' offer. We'll be only left with 10 million from our budget. We still need to sign a goalkeeper, a left back, a winger, a striker. Do you think we can get all those players for 10 million? Unless we are going to go for free agents and average players. But then we'll see in the upcoming transfer window. I'll keep you updated as there will be more and more stories around Faisal Salum's future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.